Absolutely no. That house is not for us at all. Yeah. Hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about lifestyle, travel, fashion, styling, house hunting. We are doing another house hunting video for you guys. I am in the car with Matt. Schmello. We are heading to an open house. If you've been watching my vlogs and if you are subscribed to the channel, if you're not, hit the bell so you don't miss out, because we're going to be doing a lot of house related videos from now until forever. So
eternity.
From now until eternity. So I mean, honestly, this is the start of it. So we're heading to another open house. Again, if you've been watching the videos, you know what we're up to. If you haven't seen those videos, you might want to check those out. I'll link the latest one up here so you can go and peep that. But we are heading to another open house. This one is bigger than the one that we went to yesterday, and so this is going to be great for a number of reasons. I literally just picked up the camera because Matt was saying a number of things about the house. So keep talking.
It's bigger, so the difference is the one we looked at yesterday was 2,300 square feet roughly, and this one is 2,600 square feet. It'll be interesting to see where that square footage is, and this one's definitely more dated. The one we saw yesterday was like move-in ready, really nice, and this one is also move-in ready, but
needs more work.
Needs more like cosmetic work. So painting.
The carpeting might need to be replaced.
We'll see. Yeah, and the carpeting, but also painting of walls, and
possibly stuff in the kitchen.
Really nice. It just looks a bit dated. So some fixtures, some handles on the cabinets. The cabinets look like really nice wood, and that's so hard to tell when you're looking at pictures of listings. You can't always tell, but part of it is finding value in things that you don't have to replace. And the cabinets look really nice, like a nice wood, which would be very expensive to put in new, of course. But with some sanding, staining, you could really bring them back to life in a modern way. But the layout of this house seems really nice, just in terms of space. And the big difference in this house, and it sounds nerdy, but I'd love to know the cubic feet, because there's some really big open spaces and a lot of windows and a lot of light that gets brought in. And coming from an apartment that has no natural light, but we have natural light. We have no direct sunlight.
What
I was going to say is having 16, 17 foot ceilings.
Yes.
We're used to having that cubic space that makes a space feel bigger.
That's so
and
true.
Some of these houses, you're seeing traditional 8-foot tall, or 8-foot ceilings, I guess you could say. So it'll be really interesting to see, because there's a market for everything. And yesterday's was move-in ready.
Yep.
And big, and today's is, maybe do a little bit more work, but is really a great value home. So we'll see.
We'll see. We are also meeting another real estate agent at this house, so that's going to also be great for us from an information standpoint of getting to meet this person, getting to see whether or not we vibe, and all of that. And we got some other recommendations for mortgage broker people to speak to, so we've got that added to the list of doing our due diligence to look at our options there as well. So coming up this week, that is what we're going to be focusing on during the week, is having those financing conversations. We will let you know when we get close, and we'll let you know what we think of the real estate agent as well as the house overall, and then as well as kind of like our afterthoughts and all of that. Because what was really cool, and again, if you didn't watch the last vlog that we made about the house hunt, you want to go see that, because I really broke down a lot of the different things in regards to what Matt and I are looking for specifically, as well as some nitty-gritty details that we started talking about yesterday as it relates to financing and all of that stuff. So definitely be sure to check that video out if you want all of the details of everything that is going into our house hunt and the search and all of it, because I'm having a lot of fun documenting this. And when I'm on YouTube, this is the kind of stuff that I want to see. I want to see people being very transparent, very raw and real, and just bringing me along in their process of doing big things in their life that are fun and exciting and milestone moments. So if you guys are liking this series, definitely be sure to hit the thumbs up, because that helps me know that you guys want more of these videos. So anyway, I'll keep you posted when we get to the house. We're here. The neighborhood is so nice. It's honestly so nice. I literally love all of these houses. Honestly obsessed. Yeah, really, really good neighborhood. Ah!
It's something we wouldn't get in Kenmore, Town of Tonawanda.
No.
Where
I was just thinking about that.
you know,
I was like, this is a very different area.
yeah, there's just space.
Yep. Yeah. I was
The
like,
lots
these houses
are
are
bigger.
big.
There are big houses in Kenmore, Town of Tonawanda, North Buffalo. They can be big.
Yes.
But the lot sizes tend to be narrower and they build up.
Yep.
And here you have a lot more horizontally. Like
Yep.
your lot size is maybe 130 feet wide
Yep.
versus 85. So visually it just feels like you get more.
100%. Ah! Okay. Well, I think we go. We'll keep you posted. That was so good. That was so good. That house is not for us at all.
I mean, I know you're very, like, I thought there's so much potential in the house, but it's not for us.
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, the price.
Well,
yeah, it's just
it was
not.
good to know. The house was not, see, this is the high school. Look how close the high school is.
Totally. It's a great
crazy.
area. It's absolutely a great area.
The house wasn't priced by the agent, which tells you everything you need to know.
Yep.
That, you know, it's priced by the seller. And,
Yeah. That just was
it should be
way too expensive. Like,
way
the listing is
cheap.
way too much for what it was.
Yeah.
And yeah, I just was not impressed at all. Matt was more impressed than I was. He saw it more as like a blank space that you could really do a lot with and kind of like build on, whereas I saw it as like a headache, like way too many projects.
No, it has that potential, but we don't have the time nor capital to purchase it and then want to spend the time to do all the updates that are needed.
Yeah,
and what's the line? For that reason, I'm out.
Yes.
That's the Shark Tank line.
Yeah, just a hard pass. But what I will say is what was great is we met this other real estate agent and they are fantastic. So now we're really like torn on like who do we go with. We have two amazing options and I'm like genuinely I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Honestly, I kind of maybe do know what to do. I'm honestly leaning towards the person that we met today, even though the vibes of the person we met yesterday were also so good. I just felt like the person we met today was like extremely knowledgeable. Like, I just really appreciated everything that they were saying and like all the information they were sharing. So it's just to say we have some decisions to make. What's great is we will get talking to we'll be talking to people about financing this week, and Matt and I will just get to like kind of keep talking to decide who we're gonna move forward with. Oh, it's exciting. It's very exciting. Oh my gosh. But yeah, that house is just not it. The second I walked in, I was like, absolutely no. Absolutely no. It's just gonna be way too much freaking work. So again, I'm just feeling excited because we've started the process, and what's really nice about all of this is like we've started the process and we're not in a rush. We don't need to rush to get out of our apartment. Like, we're ready to leave our apartment, but we are not in some major rush. There's no like huge amount of urgency that like we like have to get out. And so it's just to say, I'm just feeling very excited. Like, I'm glad that we've started the process of looking at everything, and I'm really glad that we're not in a place where we have to like rush or feel pressure, you know? So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. We're gonna head home soon and Matt's gonna be making us pizzas. We have like some fun stuff that we're gonna get up to at home. I also have some videos that I wanna be editing, so I'll kind of bring you guys along as like a little day in the life after house hunting. Hey, Goody! Is that your dad? Yeah. Is that your dad? We are home. I'm taking my scarf off. Let me show you guys. I didn't show you guys the fit of the day. Here was the full fit, because actually it's a kind of cute fit, because the scarf actually matches my matching set like really well. So we've got this cutie scarf from TikTok Shop. this Abercrombie matching set, my New Balance 530s, which also like goes so well with this set, and my big puffy Everlane winter jacket. This jacket is like so thick and so heavy. Honestly, it's a really good winter jacket. And yeah, this is the fit. And yeah, I'm gonna put away my stuff, get cozy, might do some reading. Matt's gonna make pizzas. I wanna do some vlog editing, and I also wanna catch up with Sarah, my sister, on the phone. There's a lot of things we're gonna do. But wait, before I go put my jacket and stuff away, you guys look at these pizza doughs. My husband is a chef. These are gluten-free pizza doughs. He is unbelievable. Honestly, we have an idea that there's a chance that one day Matt is gonna be selling these pizza doughs that he makes. So if you live in Buffalo and you're interested in getting your hands on a gluten-free pizza dough, you wanna buy some dough that then you can bring home and like make gluten-free pizzas and stuff yourself, definitely feel free to hit me up in the comments and or on Instagram, because that's a little idea that Matt and I have been floating as a little side hustle. Yeah, let me go get changed and then we'll catch back up. Oh my God, I've been a terrible vlogger for the rest of the day, but look at my chef husband making this pizza. So impressive. It is so good. You guys don't even understand how good this is. Like, it is out of this world. Out of this world. So good. Part of the reason why I sucked at vlogging is because I spoke with my sister on the phone for 2 hours, which was so good, so needed. We're gonna do that way more often. We always say we're gonna do that more often, but I'm actually gonna hold us to it. And then I just finished editing a vlog, so that is uploading right now. And next up, I'm gonna do my skincare, and then Matt and I are gonna hang, relax together. I'm gonna end out this vlog here. If you guys enjoyed this house hunting continuation vlog, there's so much more to come. This week is gonna be a super busy week, so stay tuned, because the next vlog, as it relates to the house hunting series, we're gonna have major updates for you as it relates to like financing, finalizing on who our real estate agent is, and all of that. So stay tuned for more updates. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.